Have you ever wondered what it really takes to control thousands of pounds of moving cargo? One wrong move can halt an entire operation. One careless moment can risk lives. That's why forklift operation demands skill, precision, and proper training. Yet many operators step behind the controls without proper training. Poor visibility, heavy loads, tight spaces. Without the right certification, risks increase and opportunities disappear. The Forklift Operator Certification class, 1 to 5 course prepares you for real workplace challenges, learn safe operation, equipment inspection, and load control across multiple forklift types. Gain industry-recognized certification, master the skills employers trust, work safer, operate smarter, and unlock opportunities in warehouses, logistics, and construction. Start your forklift certification today. Train with confidence. Move your career forward